From the words of Forrest Whitcraft, 100 years from now, it won't matter what my bank account was, the sort of house I lived in, or the kind of car I drove, but the world may be different because I was important in the life of another human being. My name is Debbie Bergert, and I am a business consultant and trainer. I work with various professionals to increase productivity and overall success within their organization. I began in a classroom teaching middle school students and had so many fellow teachers asking advice on establishing an equally successful environment for their classroom. I was later asked to conduct professional development workshops, and I eventually expanded those workshops to include the corporate world because I seemed to be delivering the same message. One of my favorite quotes is by Theodore Roosevelt, who said, "Nobody cares how much you know until they know how much you care." These words remain profound no matter what audience I seem to be speaking to. There are many unanswered questions in life, such as, why doesn't glue stick to the inside of a bottle? Or, what rhymes with the color orange? We may never know all the answers, but we can certainly explore possible options, embrace ideas from peers, and learn from others who have experienced professional victory and success. My first year of professional coaching, I inherited a team that had not experienced victory during the past several years. I only added 2 players to the roster, and it would not be much of an impact, so I really needed a strategy when I accepted the job. Ironically, I didn't start with sports fundamentals. We began with the mental attributes of each athlete. We spent a large amount of time on teamwork and learning to show respect to everyone involved in the game. We focused on shifting positions that would complement the team as a whole and develop team and personal goals needed to achieve our ultimate goal. It wasn't long before the word spread, and soon the whole community was anxious to see what was different. Yes, we had a unique team bond, but no one was prepared to witness the team transformation and newly found success that was yet to be unveiled. That year, we were not only undefeated, we began a legacy as we hosted record numbers in crowd attendance to witness the team's success both on and off the field. And they truly earned the title champions. As a teacher, I am well known for directing musical theater productions. What makes my productions more successful than identical storylines? Why do I have a following from previous cast members? Because although I am a slave driver and work very hard, we have a lot of fun doing it. Every character in the story is important to me and makes important contributions towards the overall success of the show. My favorite and most memorable show featured a character who only appeared in one scene. It lasted a total of 15 minutes during a 3-hour production. I wanted his parents to be equally as proud of his performance and acknowledge his contributions that I personally created a stunt for this character in his scene, which took months to rehearse to perfection. Still today, if you ask anyone what was the best scene from that particular show, they will tell you it was his particular scene, no doubt. The following year, a similar situation evolved where I needed to feature a character who had no experience. In spite of the skepticism, I developed a plan to execute. Yes, this character became the hit of the show, but more importantly, he grew from the personal experience because somebody believed in him. He decided to further his career in the arts. He graduated from college last month and now earns a living performing musical numbers. While I mentioned the 2 examples of individual success stories, the overall point to be noted is how these 2 small roles contributed to the overall success of the production. While the organization as a whole had a successful outcome, it was because of the individual contributions from the entire cast. I have always embraced the concept, if there is a will, there is a way. And I have contracted to work with many challenging organizations who were low performing or struggling startups, and I was able to quickly grow them into thriving entities, holding on to this very idea. I have earned the title edutainer because I bring a hands-on approach to training, exemplifying a spirit of motivation, along with a professional sense of humor through storytelling, which keeps the process enjoyable, all while role modeling a healthy work environment. I am impressed with the philosophy and mission of the Effective Edge, as we seem to grasp very similar business operational practices. I anticipate the transition to partner with Effective Edge as a corporate trainer would be completely smooth, because I have implemented these same strategies in every one of my own classrooms as a teacher, as an entrepreneur in my own company, and as the director of many community organizations. I contribute my entire success to utilizing positive strategies, and I am living proof that it works. Thank you for spending some time with me today and allowing me to share my ability to partner with you in transforming lives and workplaces. Thank you, and enjoy your day.